If you're watching this video, chances are you're interested in pursuing a career as a makeup artist in the UK. And I'm not surprised, it's a fascinating industry that's not only creative but also incredibly rewarding. With the rise of social media, the beauty industry has experienced unprecedented growth and makeup artists are in high demand. One of the biggest misconceptions about becoming a makeup artist is that it's easy, that all you need is a passion for makeup and a few YouTube tutorials under your belt. But the reality is, it takes a lot of hard work, dedication and perseverance to succeed in this competitive industry. Making the transition from aspiring makeup artist to professional can be a daunting task, especially when you're not sure where to start. Come on, let's get started. I'll guide you along the way. The journey to becoming a professional makeup artist in theatre, television and film is truly fascinating. While there's no single path to success, proper training and qualifications can make all the difference in launching your career. Most successful makeup artists start with foundational qualifications. The industry standards have evolved to meet modern demands. The most recognized pathways include beauty therapy NVQs and diplomas, ranging from level 1 to level 3. These qualifications cover everything from basic techniques to advanced special effects and prosthetics work. Let's explore the exciting world of specialist training that can truly set you apart in this competitive industry. The Vocational Training Charitable Trust, VTCT, leads the way with cutting-edge courses that blend traditional techniques with modern innovations. Their programs now include modules on digital beauty, virtual makeup design and sustainable practices, skills that are increasingly valuable in today's industry. What's particularly exciting is the range of specialist courses available. The International Therapy Examination Council, ITEC, offers comprehensive programs that are highly respected throughout the industry, while City and Guilds continues to set the standard for technical excellence. A game-changing development is the CIBTAC Level 3 Diploma in Media Makeup, which has been updated to include modules on working with various filming technologies and understanding makeup application for different screen resolutions. These courses aren't just about learning techniques, they're about understanding the entire production process. You'll learn how to work effectively within production teams, manage time pressures and adapt your skills to different media environments. Short courses have become increasingly popular, offering focused training in specific areas like prosthetics, airbrushing or bridal makeup. These can be excellent ways to expand your skill set or specialize in particular areas of the industry. The world of higher education in makeup artistry has transformed dramatically, offering more sophisticated and specialized pathways than ever before. The London College of Fashion continues to lead the industry with its prestigious degrees in special effects makeup for film and TV. What makes these programs particularly exciting is their integration of virtual reality training and digital design tools, preparing students for the future of entertainment media. Their hair, makeup, and prosthetics for performance degree has become increasingly sought after, with graduates working on major streaming productions and West End shows. Degrees in fine art, visual art, fashion design or graphic design can provide invaluable transferable skills. Edinburgh College's HND Makeup Artistry stands out with its comprehensive focus on TV, film and theatre industry techniques. Based at the Granton campus, this 2-year program combines intensive practical training with essential theory. Mid-Kent College offers an innovative HND in makeup and hair design for the arts, validated by the University of Kent. This £6,000 per year program uniquely blends digital design with traditional techniques. What makes this course particularly valuable is the option to top up to a full BA, Hons, degree with an additional year of study. Glamcandy's HND in TV, film and theatre makeup offers an intensive 18-month program, SQA accredited and available in both Glasgow and Edinburgh. The curriculum covers everything from basic techniques to advanced special effects and prosthetics work. Entry requirements across these courses typically include a level 6 qualification in a relevant subject, along with a strong portfolio. Most institutions require an interview, and candidates must be 18 or over. Some programs specifically request English and Maths GCSEs. These programs develop your artistic eye, understanding of color theory and ability to translate concepts into reality, all crucial skills in professional makeup artistry. Building practical experience has become increasingly crucial, and there are more creative ways than ever to develop your skills. Beauty salons now offer more sophisticated training opportunities than ever before. Many have embraced new technologies and techniques, allowing aspiring artists to gain experience with cutting-edge products and equipment. Local theatre groups and student film productions have become increasingly professional in their approach. These projects often work with HD cameras and professional lighting, giving you practical experience that directly translates to industry standards. The wedding industry presents another valuable training ground. Starting as an assistant to an established bridal makeup artist can provide exposure to different skin types, lighting conditions, and the crucial skill of working under pressure. Social media has created new pathways for gaining experience. Creating content for platforms like Instagram and TikTok can help build a portfolio, while collaboration with local photographers and models can provide excellent opportunities to practice different techniques and styles. Working across films and stage productions, you'll become an essential part of the creative team, transforming performers into their characters through your artistry. Understanding the director's vision is absolutely crucial. You'll need to interpret their creative concepts, whether they're seeking historical accuracy for a period drama, character aging for a theatrical production, or creating entirely new beings for science fiction. The essential qualities of a successful makeup artist have evolved significantly. While creativity and imagination remain at the core, today's industry demands an even broader skill set. Your ability to visualize and execute complex looks must now extend to understanding how they translate across different media platforms. Attention to detail has become more crucial than ever. With the rise of 4K and 8K cameras, even the smallest imperfection can be visible. Communication skills are absolutely vital in today's industry. You're not just applying makeup, you're building relationships and trust with your clients and colleagues. The psychological aspect of the role has gained increasing recognition. Many clients come with specific insecurities or concerns, and your ability to handle these situations with sensitivity and professionalism is paramount. High-pressure situations are particularly common in live television and theater productions. You might find yourself doing quick changes between scenes, sometimes with only minutes to completely transform a performer's appearance. Self-confidence has become increasingly crucial, not just in your technical abilities but in your decision-making. Modern productions often require you to make split-second creative choices or suggest alternatives when original plans aren't working. Your ability to trust your instincts and stand by your professional judgment can make the difference between a good artist and a great one. Working hours have become more diverse than ever. While long days and weekend work remain common, the industry has seen an increase in early morning starts, particularly for wedding makeup and dawn filming schedules. Retail experience continues to be valuable starting ground. Modern beauty retailers often feature digital try-on technology and virtual consultations, providing valuable experience with both traditional and emerging techniques. Self-employment requires significant investment in your kit, with professional-grade cosmetics and equipment becoming increasingly sophisticated. What many newcomers don't realize is that building a comprehensive kit can initially cost between £3,000 and £5,000, but it's an essential investment in your career. Competition is strong and progression depends upon the reputation, contacts and talent of the individual. A career as a makeup artist offers diverse earning potential across various sectors, with current industry rates reflecting the growing demand for skilled professionals. Trainee makeup artists can expect to earn between £130 and £150 for a 10-hour day. Junior makeup artists typically earn between £180 and £250 per day, while experienced makeup artists command daily rates ranging from £300 to £420. Chief makeup artists, on the other hand, negotiate their own fees, often exceeding £420 per day. In terms of annual salaries, the average makeup artist in the UK earns around £27,000 per year, with entry-level positions starting at £23,000. Top-tier professionals can earn as much as £49,300 annually, particularly in metropolitan areas like London, where hourly rates can reach up to £50. Regional variations also play a role in salary expectations. For example, the average annual salary in London is £26,800, while in the Northwest, including Liverpool, it rises to £33,900. In Edinburgh, the average is £27,500, and in Luton, it reaches £34,500. Leading employers in the industry also offer competitive pay scales. N2O Limited provides an average annual salary of £45,200, while Blow Limited offers £35,350 per year. MAC Cosmetics and Charlotte Tilbury, two of the most recognizable names in the beauty industry, offer salaries of £21,000 and £21,200 per year, respectively. Career progression in this field remains heavily influenced by reputation, networking and demonstrated expertise. Freelance makeup artists, in particular, benefit from building a strong portfolio and maintaining industry connections. This often allows them to command higher rates, especially for specialized work such as bridal or theatrical makeup. For those interested in pursuing a career as a makeup artist, there are several excellent resources to help you get started and stay informed about the industry. The British Association of Beauty Therapy and Cosmetology, BABTAC, continues to be a cornerstone of professional development, offering accreditation, insurance and industry updates. Their membership has become particularly valuable for accessing exclusive training opportunities and staying informed about industry standards. The Iva Makeup Academy has enhanced its prominence in the industry, offering cutting-edge courses that incorporate the latest techniques and technologies. Their programs now include modules on digital makeup effects and sustainable practices, reflecting the evolving demands of the industry. Industry publications like Warpaint magazine have expanded their digital presence, providing essential insights into industry trends and opportunities. Their online platform now features interactive tutorials, industry interviews and real-time updates on job opportunities. Find helpful links in the description below for resources, training and career advice to kickstart or grow your journey as a makeup artist. Thanks for watching Career Chronicles. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and share to inspire others to find their dream careers too. See you in the next video.